Greetings from Bukit, Gombak, Singapore. This is the west part of Singapore. Let's explore this way a while. You know, the block 359 has some interesting shop. I saw a TCM right there, the Zhongyi. And then there's a kopitiam called JWS. And there's some nice shop houses. And HDB around here. It's a pink color, purple color. Wow. And that way leads to the Bukit Gombak MRT. You know, nearby there's a driving learning school. So there's an Alfred means it's learner. It means not a driver yet, but there's an instructor on the left side, sitting on the left side, to instruct the learner and driver how to drive, to teach them. I got my license many years ago. I also learned from the Bukit Batok driving center. There's some nice shop here. Family clinic. Oh, I saw a 24-hour laundromat. Let's go up. Some nice salon called L. I think L is the name of the boss. So this is a point laundry. Wow. The price is here 9 to 11. Oh, what is this shop? Very colorful. You only queen beauty salon, nails, facial hair, makeup, eyelash extension. Wow. Fusion school, engineers. Organic food mart. Okay. And there's kopitiam in front. Western food, Chinese food. Simple kopitiam. Don't expect too much. It's a neighborhood area. Wow, look at the HDB. What's this, man? Some kind of Muslim school. Isa Pados. Oh, it's Islamic education. They learn religion here. That's good. Go down. You know, go this way. Go straight is the Bukit Gombak MRT already. Along the north-south line. Oh, there HDB at the ground floor. I think it's nice. I mean, you can reach home and leave home very easily. You don't need to take the lift, don't need to wait for the lift. This is plot 369. Even plants here. The power box. Void deck. And I can see the MRT from here. And the big police camera. There's a Hong Kong Knob CC nearby. Road of Fortune. So in front is a MRT. And diagonally across block 372. Another neighborhood estate. The Bukit Gombak area. There are more shops there. Oh, there's a Bukit Gombak Stadium, which is like next to the MRT. There's also a gym here, on the left side. Bukit Gombak Sports Hall. Wow. You can pay just $2.50 to go to the gym. The stadium is behind. Yola, we arrived. Bukit Gombak MRT. Where there are more shop Pizza Hut. Wow, $5 eh. Kidding me? I think it's just a piece, a slice of pizza and a Coke. You can't expect a whole pizza for $5 and then give you a drink some more. 3M blender. 7-Eleven Mos Burger. There's a clinic at the right side. A lot of people waiting. You know, clinic now say earn meat money and they operate very short hours. They, normally some of them, most of them close by 5. And the subway here.